There's over $7,000 in prizes.
You're saying somebody's gonna win one of these?
Okay, ready?
Plus, we install a brand new mattress and Cherie shares her tips on how to sleep better.
This is Tom. I'm Cherie, and this is my son Logan. We travel full-time in our RV, and we hope to inspire you through our journey. This is the moment you've been waiting for.
We are so excited to share with you guys. Our big celebration starts now. You can now enter our 100,000 subscriber giveaway contest on YouTube. There's over $7,000 in prizes.
There'll be 35 winners. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel.
Because sometimes the YouTube gremlins might unsubscribe you without you knowing about it.
Gremlins? What are gremlins?
You remember the movie?
Oh, the YouTube gremlins. I know what you're talking about.
Now here's a list of all the prizes you can win.
Electric XB e-bike. They are so much fun. And these things go really fast. But don't break the campground speed limit. And make sure you follow all the rules.
And a Flomax from Lippert. You can pressure wash your RV or use it to kill a few Asian beetles.
Christine at Lippert is my new best friend.
An RV generator from E-Trailer.
And a new Thomas Paine mattress, a size of your choosing, from Lippert.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is nice. And a Verdiac kayak rack from Verdiac.
A Tire Link TPMS system from Lippert, so you can be safe traveling on the road. A bunch of RV Life RV Trip Wizard Pro subscriptions, so you can have safe GPS directions wherever you go.
Pull up the RV Life app and RV Trip Wizard. We've got our directions in here from before. View RV friendly directions. There we go. About 3 hours left to go.
A set of upright Solera folding chairs from Lippert, so you can enjoy your campsite in comfort. And we have 3 gift certificates from our friend Emily at Grand Design, and they can be applied at the Grand Design store for their merchandise. We have $100, $150, and $200. Have fun shopping!
A flow drain down system from Lippert, so you can winterize your RV.
And a set of RV snap pads custom fit for your RV.
And a set of Solera Zero Gravity chairs from Lippert. They are really comfortable.
A set of 2 RV Gas Stop propane safety devices. A Wastemaster complete kit from Lippert, so you can handle the not so fun part of RVing a little bit easier. And it comes with a 360 RV vent siphon from Lippert. A Boondocker's welcome subscription, so you can find all kinds of places to camp for free.
in a Boondocking 101 course from RV Masterclass. Maybe I should take that one.
An organized RVer bundle, a complete RV setup and teardown checklist from our friends Jason and Ray at Getaway Couple.
And finally, a Harvest Host membership where you can stay overnight in your RV at wineries, breweries, farms, and over 1,300 unique locations. We love our Harvest Host membership. For a complete list of all of the prizes you can win, make sure you check out our website where you can find the entry form. You can find our link down in the description.
And if our website is a little slow or it crashes from all the traffic, make sure you visit our site again.
And a big thank you to all of our friends and vendor partners for making these prizes available to give to you guys. We really appreciate that, and check out the links to all of the prizes for more details.
We got this mattress. It's a Tuft and Needle a few years ago. It's been awesome. I've loved it. But this new one from Lippert has more features that I am excited about. I'm having to say goodbye to my awesome mattress, but ready for a better one. I love this blanket. It's been a game changer for me getting better sleep. Some people don't like the heaviness, but this is a weighted blanket. To me, it feels like a whole body hug and it just feels cozy. I love it. I will put a link down in the description if you're interested in getting one. But before we bring in the new mattress, we're gonna put this one back into the guest bedroom / office. But first we gotta strip this bed. Tom, can you help me with this? I can barely pick it up. It's heavier than a toddler.
Workout with this thing.
And since we're talking about ways to get better sleep, one of my favorite things that I've had for so many years, and I will never get rid of it, is this alarm clock right here. It has this thing where you can push it and it casts the time up on the ceiling. Instead of waking up in the middle of the night and wondering what time it is and actually rolling over to look, it makes checking the time at night really quick so you can go right back to sleep. Making a bed in an RV can be difficult. Do you have any tricks on how to make a bed in an RV easier? Please leave a comment down below. If you sleep hot, these pillows are awesome. I'm at a time in my life where I'm waking up with some warmth, so these have been great. I'll put a link down below so you can find them. You know, actually I think this is made specifically for RVs, which our other one wasn't. There's actually more walking space here, which I am digging that. It's nice. This feels really good. I love it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is nice. Well, I look forward to trying it out tonight, and we will let you guys know what we think.
I'm ready to go to bed now.
Is it nap time?
It feels like it.
So thank you to Lippert and Thomas Payne for sending us this mattress to try out. So we will put a link down below in the description if you want to check these out as well. Plus we want to include you.
That's right, you.
In our celebration video that's coming up next week. So head on over to Instagram and use the hashtag JourneyTribe to share your pictures wearing your tribe shirts like Mountain Tribe. Or your Be Kind Spirit shirt, like that. And
the hashtag is actually like a fitness hashtag, which I don't know why, but we're gonna do a hashtag takeover. We're gonna like swarm the hashtag with Enjoy the Journey t-shirts.
There you go. And if you're not on Instagram, you can use our email address down in the description to send us your pictures as well.
Who's representing Beach Tribe here? What?
Beach Tribe.
Are you missing the beach, Logan?
Yeah, but I can't wait to see more mountains.
Now we're talking. We'll get you converted to the Mountain Tribe here.
Mum's the word. Shh.
It's a secret. We have bonus entry options.
Check those out on our blog post down in the description.
And watch for secret codes on our social media that'll get you bonus entries.
Thank you again for following our journey and subscribing.
We cannot wait to celebrate with you in our next video.
So again, to enter our contest for all of these giveaways, go down to the link in the description and be sure to share it with your friends. We can't wait to see who wins.
Good luck! Thank you so much for following our journey.
I can't believe it's been so many years since we started.
I know.
But we are so thankful for all of you guys for subscribing and watching our crazy RV life.
And we've loved running into you guys all over the country the past 2.5 years. We hope to see all of you on the road.
Get me as I'm sliding down.
Are you gonna actually slide or no? You might break your neck.
It's all for the YouTubes.
Subscribe for more mattress moving.
Head for the sun, follow your footsteps, edge of the world, right to your doorstep home. Anywhere you wanna go, beyond the stars.